In this short video, I'm just going to quickly run you through the top menu bar that allows you quick and easy access to certain facilities within Mantis Property. Up the top right, you'll notice a search for listing or contact bar. This is an auto predict bar, which means you can start typing in either a listing address or a contact and it will automatically auto predict what you're looking for. For instance, if I type the number 2 and then a space, then it shows me anything that has the number 2 in it, which are these two particular listings. You can also type in names of contacts or whoever you want to search. The next item on the menu bar is this icon, which is your user guide. If you click this, it will download a PDF which you can print out or review on your computer, and it runs step by step through all the features of Mantis Property and how to use them. The next button is the full screen button. Clicking this will toggle between full screen and normal mode for the Mantis Property app. The next button across is your sign out button. Click this and it will allow you to log out of your account. And the final button is the collapse menu button. If you find that you need more workspace on your screen, simply click this and it will remove the menu bar on the left-hand side. Clicking it again will bring the menu bar back.